In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to change your iPhone appearance completely. Changing your iPhone's color appearance can refresh your experience by adding a personal touch and enhancing aesthetics. It allows you to express your style, lift your mood, and create a more enjoyable interaction with your device. Simply head to your phone settings. On the settings page, select onto this option of accessibility. You will then head to this option of display and text size. Navigate onto this option of classic invert. Make sure to enable this option on. You will then head to this next option of color filters. Make sure to enable it as well. You will then choose among these color filters. You can also increase or reduce on the intensity. This doesn't only change your app colors, but also the preview or display of the app will change. That's how easy it is to completely change your iPhone appearance. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.